Hello there, today I'm going to draw a cute unicorn and these are the colors that I will be using. Okay, so let's start with the head and I'm going to draw one little curved line down just like that, and then sort of like a little point and then back up. Okay, now we're going to draw the ear sort of like one line up and a point and down, and then we're going to connect this part over here where the ear is. Now on the other side we'll draw the other ear, so it's sort of like a triangle shape. Okay, all right, so let's just draw a little curve here. Okay, and we're going to draw the back part, so we're going to bring it all the way down and then across. Okay, let's stop here. Okay, so now I'm going to continue with the neck. We're going to draw one line down just like that, and we're going to bring it all the way down. Okay, then line across and back up and then across. Okay, now we're going to bring this line all the way down and we're going to draw a line across and back up. Okay, so we have the two legs. All right, so now I'm going to draw the other leg. So one line across just like that and back in, and then join it just like that, a line and back up and back in. Okay, and then the other leg, one line down, across and up. Okay, so let's draw the hair. So we'll draw sort of like a big lush mane of hair. So we'll do little curls all the way across the back. Okay, we'll stop right here. And then the unicorn has a nice long pointy horn. Okay, so one line across with a point and then join it down and back. Okay, all right, and now let's draw the tail. So two lines up just like that with a curve all the way down and a nice little wavy flap, and then back up, and we're gonna attach it. Okay, and you can sort of draw little lines just like that. Okay, so we're going to include the eye, and I'm going to draw a nice big round circle. Okay, just like that. And then we'll just color the pupil in the inside. We could add 3 cute little lashes and an eyebrow. Okay, and a nice smile. Okay, and 2 little dots for the nose there. Okay, so you can color it whatever color you prefer. And you know what, I'm gonna draw another nice sort of like a mane of hair in the front too, just like that. Okay, and I'll color that a nice purple. Okay, okay, and the horn, I'm just going to use a bright yellow, but you can make it a rainbow horn, whatever you like. Okay, so I'm going to use a pale pink, and I'll make it into like a color pattern. So I will color this part purple as well. Okay, so unicorns are mythical creatures. So they're known for magical powers, purity, and grace. It's creatures of legends and folklore. Okay. And the ancient Greeks were the first people to write about unicorns around 400 BC. I'm going to use this color. Okay. And I'll color it pale pink too. All right, so they're known to be strong and fast and hard to catch. They represent good luck and happiness, and they're known to be living in magical forests. So the word unicorn means one horn. I'm also gonna shade in the little ears, the pale pink. I'll just shade in the cheek, pale pink. And the tail, I'm also going to blend in the colors. So we have purple, and then a bright pink. And then the pale pink. Okay, and just to give it a little bit of that depth, I'm going to use a little bit of gray. All right, so before I go, I have a nice cute little unicorn joke for you. And it goes like this. Did you hear about the unicorn with a negative attitude? She always said, nay. Okay, my friends, I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Until next time, don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye.